Hey guys, welcome to the Ramada by Wyndham in Acapulco.
It was a long day, long drive, very busy streets, but we are here. This room was $80 Canadian a night, and it's a pretty nice room, ocean view as you saw, and a living couch,
Good sized TV,
2 beds,
2 queen beds,
a little kitchen
little kitchenette.
with a 2-burner stove. But we're only here one night, so we probably won't be using it. A refrigerator, which you don't always see in Mexico, that we learned.
AC microwave.
And a bathroom. Very basic bathroom, but perfect for $80 and one night in Acapulco. Adventure amigos. This morning we are in Acapulco. Got in last night after a long drive. I think I said that yesterday, but we are up with the sunrise, which you can see from our room. Beautiful view to wake up to.
Yeah, just to reiterate, it was a long drive yesterday, about 9 hours from
Huatulco.
long drive. So yeah, this morning we're gonna get up and do some quick bit of exploring. Check out Acapulco, a city of 700,000 people, and it is definitely not the capital of the state of Guerrero. All right, guys.
See ya later. Cathedral, which is built in the 1930s from parts of an unused movie theater.
That's it for now.
be you. Hey adventure amigues, welcome to Acapulco. This is La Quebrada.